This is a 2004 Mazda B-Series pickup. Features include aluminum wheels, solar tinted glass, a sliding rear window, a CD player, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, fog lamps, privacy glass, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 51,000 miles. Not to mention that this Mazda qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Oxmoor Mazda is conveniently located at 8107 Shelbyville Road. Visit our website and view our entire inventory online at www.oxmoormazda.com.